In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put a wallpaper on your PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. And if you're looking for discounts on PS5 games and accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first go on your profile, then on your profile press X, then go to profile, press X. Now here go to the pencil icon in the right side, press X, then go to cover image, press X, and here if you already have an image, go on change image. But if there is no image, you will see here a option like this, select image. So go on select image and press X, and from here you can see all of the pictures that you have on your PS5. Now from here select the picture you want, and after to select, go on that picture and press X, and then go down on select and press X on your controller, and from here you can zoom, rotate and position, and after that go on save and press X and wait for a few seconds, and then go on done, press X. Now let's see, now you can see that here we have a wallpaper on our PS5 profile. So this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching.